Sabyasachi, who's joining us live from Odisha in Bhubaneswar, where the BJP office has broken out in celebrations. Sabyasachi, if you can hear us in all the din over there, take us through what's going on at the BJP headquarters in Bhubaneswar.
Well, absolutely, it's electric scene here at the BJP headquarters here. Large amount of BJP party workers have gathered here and they have started celebrating because the reason both in Assembly as well as in the Lok Sabha, the BJP is leading with a very good margin, and that is the reason why large amount of BJP supporters are coming in. We'll try to speak to some of the supporters out here. Madam, आपने पूछा कि जो नंबर्स अभी तक दिखाई दे रहे हैं, बीजेपी लीड कर रही है दोनों विधानसभा और लोकसभा में, क्या कहेंगे?
ओडिशावासी परिवर्तन हुआ था, बहुमत में बीजेपी को वोट दिया था और जो ऊपर का सरकार 25 वर्ष सरकार पढ़िला से लोक मानकर किछि करि पाइलानी, तेणु करी लोक माने एथरिक ओडिशावासी बहुमत वोट दैछथि बीजेपी सरकार करिबा ओडिशा रे डबल इंजिन सरकार मध्ये होउछि ओडिशावासी आ हमें समस्त बहु।
मैडम, आप क्या कहेंगी कि जो रुझान जो नंबर्स दिखाई दे रहे हैं, बीजेपी दोनों लोकसभा और विधानसभा में लीड कर रही है अच्छी नंबर से?
बीजेपी तो करेगा, बीजेपी जो कार्य कर रहे हैं ना करेंगे। नरेंद्र मोदी जी का जो प्रतिज्ञा जो कर्मठता उसका जो मोदी जी जो कहते हैं उसको करके दिखाते हैं, उसका प्रभाव पड़ता है, वही दिखा देता है।
I'll request my camera person just to pan around and show you the visuals. More and more party workers are continuously coming in. They have started celebrating quite early after the lead by the BJP could be seen. Now what more and more workers are coming in because BJP is leading in both the Lok Sabha as well as in the Vidhan Sabha here in the state of Odisha.
Well, clearly those celebrations in Odisha gives you the sense of how big this victory is for the BJP, given the fact that Naveen Patnaik has not lost Odisha over the last 25 years, and this time the BJP almost had alliance talks with the BJD. The BJD had, can I have some silence in the studio, panelists? The BJD was almost wanting an alliance with the BJP, but they didn't go in for that. They went fought alone and now likely to form the government in Odisha. That's a big victory for the BJP, and NDA also winning Andhra Pradesh. Big news for NDA. But let's now look at the big numbers on your screen and let's compare 2019 with 2024. And 350 seats for the NDA in 2019, 297, not so much of a fall. BJP has stuck at this number. The NDA has stuck at this number, which is on the right side of the 272 mark, and as of now 297. Safe to say that the NDA is in the driver's seat. They will form the government. We're taking and sticking our neck out because even though the BJP is not past the 272 mark on its own, the NDA has been in the region of 290 to about 303, up and down, swinging between that range. 297 at 11:34 this morning on the 4th of June, and 297 looks like the NDA is in the driver's seat, likely to form the government. Pre-poll alliance, India alliance 227 and 19 to the others. So India alliance putting up a stiff fight, but look at the map. All saffron and then this is how all saffron turns to bits of green here in Rajasthan. In Gujarat we are seeing a little bit of green as of now. We are seeing in central India a little bit of green that has come back. Again, south of India, which was always more the other region, but BJP breaking in there and putting its mark there. Look at this part. Odisha, Bihar, this is where you see even in Bengal, Assam doing well for the BJP. Let's also look at that. But at this moment, 229 versus 295. The BJP has stayed in the 290 plus area for a long time now. So the NDA, whatever anybody might say, who's going to form the government, there doesn't seem to be any confusion there in the numbers. Let me take a quick round around the table here.
Celebrations have begun at the DMK headquarters in Chennai, by the way.
What did they do?
Oh, but we have fought the election on the development phase. Let's not start fighting.
Okay, I want to understand, and I'm taking the senior most on the table, Mr. Rajagopalan. 295 for the NDA. Do you think there's any confusion in anybody's mind as far as who's forming the next government?
There is no confusion. Modi returns, third time hat-trick. And moreover, the India alliance, totally, when they were under decimation, now they have little reason of, that is why you can see the joy in the studio for temporary time. And second thing, my understanding is, DMK did not do well, though they had a sixth. But the vote percentage has totally gone down. I got a message, and JVC will now vouchsafe for that. DMK did not do well.
So,
moreover, that is going to be
I'm coming to you, Harish.
2026.
I'm coming to Harish ji. This battle is not only about Tamil Nadu. This battle is an all-India battle. Harshvardhan Tripathi, आप कैसे देख रहे हैं? 290 से आगे ही है एनडीए पिछली काफी देर से. 290 plus up to about 303 is what they have gone to. You think it's stabilizing somewhere here?
नविका जी, मुझे लगता है कि जो एग्जिट पोल्स ने नंबर दिए थे, अगर उत्तर प्रदेश को माइनस कर दें तो लगभग उसी तरफ ये आंकड़ा जाता हुआ दिख रहा है. यूपी में कैंडिडेट सिलेक्शन, हम लोग पहले भी इस पर बात कर रहे थे. अब लल्लू सिंह जी को क्यों पार्टी ने अयोध्या जैसी सीट से टिकट दिया, ये मतलब समझना बड़ा मुश्किल है. और ऐसी ढेर सारी सीटें, हमने आपके भी शो में कई बार कहा था कि 15 से 17 सीटें हैं, मोदी और राम जी का नाम खींच लेगा. उसके बावजूद अगर ये 290, 295 का नंबर है, बहुत शानदार
तो नहीं थी.
नहीं है राम लहर, लेकिन अगर आप जिसको कहते हैं ना कि एकदम से कोई कैंडिडेट ऐसा देते हैं जिसको लोकल लेवल पर बहुत ज्यादा रिएक्शन है, तो फिर मुश्किल. लास्ट टाइम भी वो बड़ी मुश्किल से जीते थे. उसके बावजूद अगर आप उन्हीं को रिपीट करो, और ऐसे ढेर सारे कैंडिडेट्स हैं जिनको क्यों बीजेपी ने दिया. 14-19 में जो बीजेपी ढेर सारी, जिसको कहते हैं ना कि जोखिम लेती थी, अब वो शायद थोड़ा सा कुछ डर के कैंडिडेट सिलेक्शन कर रही थी, उसका भी रिजल्ट है.
आकाशदीप पुनी,
देखिए नाविका जी, there is two news.
Moral victory.
Yeah, there's two news coming out of
That
this
is
news.
one line.
This numbers, if we believe these numbers, there are two news.
You are not believing these numbers?
First, the
This is the
Tanashahi
result,
of
not
Modi
exit
ji will not be tolerated by the common man of this country, and they will be balancing out. They are like they did it, put the chief minister behind bars, put ED and CBI behind.
पर मोदी, मैं तो आप तो दूसरे सवाल पे चले गए. You have gone to the second question. My primary question is Narendra Modi becoming the prime minister for the third time or not? First answer that.
See, I told you that Bharatiya Janata Party is not going to cross 272, and if Bharatiya Janata
Will
Party
Modi be the
is
prime
not going
minister with these numbers, yes or no?
1 minute. If Bharatiya Janata Party is not going to cross 272, allies of Bharatiya Janata Party will leave Bharatiya Janata Party. This is also an option. This is also an
Okay,
option.
that's an important debatable point. Will anybody leave?
कोई भारतीय जनता पार्टी का साथ छोड़ने नहीं जा रहा है. उद्धव जी इधर आ जाएं लाइन क्रॉस करके तो बहुत सरप्राइजिंग नहीं होगा.
नीतीश कुमार जी इशारे
वैसे
कर रहे हैं.
दिल्ली 7-0 है.
नीतीश कुमार जी इशारा कर रहे थे.
Chandrababu Naidu will be the first one to switch over the party.
What's the first headline?
No one is going to leave Bharatiya Janata Party.
Harish ji, what's the first headline? 290.
join BJP. DMK will join BJP.
1 minute.
Because they want to scale the
Rajagopalan ji,
skin.
कहना
Right
है.
from Justice Party movement started, they saying, claiming the same thing, and they will be going ahead. But let him speak.
1 minute, let me ask.
I'm saying DMK will join
Okay,
BJP.
I've already given you an opportunity, Harish ji.
Yes, ma'am.
Harish ji, 295 at this moment for the NDA, 230 for the India Alliance. Do you think this is going to change very drastically?
100%. Because the first thing, what we want to climb is they started the election campaign with 400 bar and now they are landing by 292.
Who is the Prime Minister? You
Sir,
say,
sir, 1 second, calm down, please.
400 हो गया, 400 तो हो गया ना, अभी तो 300 में आ गया, ये तो 205 में नहीं जा पा रहे।
I didn't interrupt. Please.
Rajagopalan ji,
You
please,
can have
1
your
minute.
smell of your coffee later, please.
Yes.
So they started with 400 mark and they are crossing beyond 2019 303 on their own BJP. So now they are coming ahead of. One second.
They've come down
under 252. So morally, ethically, logically, analytically, politically, they lost the battle. Number one.
Okay.
And number two. Sir, 1 second. And number two, we fought. Oh God.
Mr. Rajagopalan, 1 minute.
Sir, you can't be
Mr. Rajagopalan,
Sir,
no, 1 minute. No, 1 minute. Viewers have to understand every speaker, then I'll come back to you.
And number two, DMK, which fought the battle with the development phase, they have shown the result to the people of Tamil Nadu in regards to caste, creed and religion, in uplifting women empowerment, in uplifting the financial empowerment, in uplifting the industrial empowerment, and we are the GSTP #1 state ahead of Maharashtra and Gujarat. And we fought this election with development, and the results are on your screen.
Who
with
will be the Prime Minister?
39 out of 38.
Who will be the Prime Minister?
That
Who
the
will form the
post-poll
government?
alliance. Wait, 1 second. That the post-poll alliance of India alliance will decide after the post-poll entire results on the screen. And for sure, India bloc will going to form the government with a thumping majority crossing 272 comfortably.
Okay. As of now, it's gone down 2 seats ever since you said that, 228 ho gaya.
Navika, the two bellwether states that we say is the road to Delhi, both Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh are voting favorably for the India Alliance. Point number one. Point number two, this is a fight, and this is something we have said repeatedly during the entire election campaign. The opposition didn't have resources to mobilize public. The public came voluntarily on their own, and your viewers need to know this is a fight of the people of India against the BJP. Point number three, I predicted both during the time of the exit poll and early this morning, this will be a hung parliament, and it looks like you're getting there, but I will agree with my friend here. Now, by 2 o'clock, and this is my prediction, India Alliance will be ahead of the NDA.
Okay, we'll wait for that.